Okay, good evening everyone. I'm confident that it's going to come. Today, I'm going to talk on very simple things, structure browser. Now, which is part and parcel of our PLM life. So first thing, what we have today is structure browser, which is out of the box. We have some basic comparison facilities, but we need more. And we need advanced structure compare. It could be on any item type, it could be on part, it could be on embalm, it could be on CAD structure, but wherever you want to compare, on what basis you want to compare, that you can define. So compare anything, compare items, compare revisions, compare any type or on any property as well, and what is being changed, do the redlining. Expand structure on any relationships. So this is some basic concept which we have put into a reusable component which is called Advanced Structure Browser. So let's jump to the demo now. So I'll go to the browser. Perfect, I can see that. Okay, first I will show the outcome, and then we can go to some basic configurations. So here I am on the parts, and I have the structure compare menu here. We have plenty of tools which has been created by us for the different purpose. But let's jump onto the structure compare here. And I can see that I have the three possible structure compares available here. One is only on the BOM, one is also inclusive of the CAD and BOM and documents. So I can compare on any relationships what I define. It's just configurable. So let me first look at the part BOM comparison. Here, let me select the object. My favorite object is MP0101, and then on the other side, I can select the revision, or I can select another item itself. So I select the another one. So here I have the two possibilities. First section says matching based on what? What is the unique key you want to compare against? So I want to compare based on the part number. I can have the part number and the revision, part number and revision. So I can have any multiple combinations which with I can compare. And then compare to, I can have the multiple columns, multiple properties. I want to see what is the difference in description or name or item type or quantity, what is changed. So then let me see that what is changed in the revision, name or type or state. And I say simply compare. This is what I see. So then I can see that I have left hand side, I have the one revision, right hand side is another revision. I can see that name is changed, the type is changed, the state is changed for my first part. I can also expand, and I can see it the multiple level as well. So let me expand a couple of them. I can see that if something is added, it's a different color, something is removed, you can see that the different colors. So this is how I can compare the entire structure. You can see which properties are changed from what to what. So this is the basic concept. So this is the big structure. It takes time to expand, but I can show you. This is the similar way. I can compare on the CAD BOM. I can also compare on even the project tree. When you have the project tree, you want to see what I compared against another project or baseline of the project, what has been changed. When I create the baseline of the project, WBS, and I want to see after some time what has been modified, that is something I can easily compare here. So how does it work? It's very simple. You create the configuration object for a given item type, and there it allows you to put the relationship names. On this relationship I want to compare. So that tree could be the global tree. It could expand on part BOM, it can expand on part BOM as well as on CAD or document. Whatever you want to see in your structure browser, it is comparable. So this is the global part compare. So let me go back here. So that means you can not only compare the BOM, but you can compare on BOM and part and other things as well. So embalm, project tree, product data, that is all things what you can compare. So that's all about the demo. So this is a part of a lot of tools what we have been developing as part of the SteepGraph. We are the first user of the Aras in-house we use the Aras. Every day we face some productivity or usability challenges and we solve it first for ourselves. And then we get back to you. So we have developed 60 plus tools, and at our booth we have a competition for the best idea submission. Like if you have the problem, submit the idea, and the top 3 ideas we will develop for free. So that is how jointly we want to bring some best of the tools so we can take it to the community and we can share it to the lot of the guys. So this is the barcode. For submitting your idea, you can take a picture, and if you have something which you see that where usability can be improved or productivity can be improved, just take a picture, submit it, and we would like to talk to you and do it for free for the top 3 ideas. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.